I'm Tinashe, and I want to share with you some of my beauty secrets. Should I do foundation? Kind of looks like I should. I don't like to put too much on my skin. I don't like to cover up my freckles. All right, so we're gonna do just a little. Hey, good morning. I'm using a beauty blender, which is like my favorite thing for foundation because it just makes the skin look the most natural. And I definitely just like a really thin layer just to cover up any under eye bags, make everything look a little bit more even. Some brows. We're gonna brush them out first, just how we want them. I use the Chanel pencil, which I really love. Fill them in a little bit, enhance those babies. I don't wax my eyebrows anymore. I used to when I was like 13 years old. Don't do it, kids. I just kind of pluck a few stray hairs, but I try not to do too much to my brows. Are they even-ish? Okay, cool. I am a huge fan of blush. I think it makes me look awake. It really brings a lot of color to my skin. Just a little on the cheeks. A little contour up here. Boom. I pretty much learned how to contour and to do makeup by observing other makeup artists that do my makeup. To finish off the skin, let's do a tiny touch of highlight. A little sparkle and shine. This is more kind of like my day-to-day look. When I'm on stage, I want lashes, I want drama, I want deep eyes, I want way more contour, definitely way more highlight because we want it to sparkle in the light. So on my casual days, I really kind of like to use a bronzer as an eyeshadow. So we're gonna take some of this bronzer and just right in the crease, give us just a little bit of depth to the eyes. I always kind of do a little liner. I think it makes my eyes really pop. This is how I do my wings. Woo. Draw a cute little line, flick it up. Little flick, don't get too crazy, girls. Boom, liner. The last thing we're gonna do to the eyes, good old mascara, everyone's favorite product. I like to get like deep in the lash bed because I think it looks the most full. Last but not least, lips. Just want a little bit of lip color. A little goes a long way. And voila, here you go, here you have it. A nice little day-to-day look.